Continuing on with structural dissociation, the next tier we have is secondary structural dissociation, and this is where things get more complex. As always, two concepts we need to understand. First and foremost, AMP, apparently normal part in charge of daily life activities, and EP, emotional part in charge of trauma information and trauma actions. So, secondary structural dissociation is going to have one AMP, but multiple EPs. Common diagnoses that connect with this is complex PTSD, BPD, and OSDD. Although one could argue OSDD moves into tertiary, but that argument's for another time. When we've had ongoing trauma or more than one trauma, we can start to have more than one EP. And this is because it can almost become too much for one EP to hold all of the trauma information. So now other parts need to hold other aspects of trauma. So let's say I grew up in a household with a lot of physical abuse. So I might have a part of me that activates a fight defense, but I also have another part of me that connects with like feeling frozen. And then another one that kind of collapses and just like gives up. The EP dynamics can get quite complex, and I'll talk about that later.